Tonight, I want to talk about errors and how you let your customer know that something didn't go the way that it was supposed to. So I'm sure you've seen a 400, a 429, or God forbid, a 500, and no response, nothing structured, and you can't really tell what happens. That is not how we want to tell our customers that something's wrong. So every error response needs structured content, including an error code. And one of the most important things is that the error code is specific. So if you only have 5 error codes and you have 500 potential situations that could go wrong, you are the one doing it wrong. And it's also really important that you have descriptive messages, but you create a structure in which a customer never feels like they need to parse that message in order to understand what's going on. So again, specific error codes, but then also contextual data. So contextual data means that in your error message, you need to say something like, the value you provided for an email address was not actually formatted as an email. But remember, we don't want customers to parse our strings in order to get that detail. So you need to think about your error response structure as having insight into what field is wrong so that the customer knows to correct it, even potentially programmatically, right? So you want machine readable structure and human readable error messages, but you want enough structure on the machine readable side so that nobody ever thinks to parse your human readable descriptions. So the key here is to remember that the way you design your error responses should be as intentional as the way in which you design the responses for every other part of your API. So the thing to remember is that your errors are part of your customer experience, and your customers should love your errors as much as they love the rest of your APIs. I'm Stan Lemon. I design APIs, and the pizza's pretty good too. Hey, quick shout out to Patrice from AWS. Thanks for the reminder.